Okay. What about the stages of developing Siebel applications? Siebel application stages of development are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stages. First, the discover stage. Inside this stage, we define something called document and functional technical requirements. So we have a document called document functional and technical requirements that support the business goals and needs. So we write a business document, and here the role of software engineer play its role. Next, we go to the design phase. We need to design the project approach and scope and incorporate project management control. The design phase describes the business requirements and detailed design. These documents are output of the design stage of developing a Siebel application. They describe the scope of the solution and document the specifications that developers require during configuration. So we tell what should the developer do with this stage. The following design document. We have the design document, which has the entity relationship diagram, the design strategy of the data layer. For example, we have here NREC entity relationship diagram for house, appraisal, house renovations, opportunities, activities, contact, partner agencies. So here we have an indication of the entities, the data sources, and also we indicate whether we have one-to-one or many-to-many relationship. For example, here between the contact and the activities we have one-to-many relationship, and between the houses and the opportunities we have many-to-many relationship. So entity is a category of data. Data source provides the source of data for each entity. Siebel CRM stores most data in tables, relational database tables. For example, house information resides in the s_broad_int table. Siebel CRM can derive data from an external sources. For example, the house renovations virtual business component derives data from an external source or website or any other source. Relationship indicate the nature of the relationship between entities, such as one-to-one or one-to-many or many-to-many. Next, we have to follow the business component design template. So we have activity, contact, internal, opportunities, partner, company. And also we have appraisal, which is a new business component. It's not in Siebel. We have to consider this as a new business component. Also, we have renovation. Renovation VBC is a new virtual business component. So here we have to consider with the design document the business object design template, the accounts, activity, contact, internal products, and opportunities. And also we have to consider the view design template, whether it's applet design template or screen design template. So we're talking about view design template here. And report design template, workflow policy template, and assignment manager template, testing strategy document, test cases document. For example, here we're talking about screens and views and applet. And you can see the applet is inside the view and the view is inside the screen, and the screen has more than one view. So you should keep this in mind once you design these views within Siebel tools, for example. All right, after that, we're talking about the prototype. The prototype is to develop application screen flows and design layout using the requirements from the discovery stage to create a prototype of the solution. Next, configure. Configure the application extensions and external interfaces that are required to support the custom development of Siebel application. Validate. We have to perform full test of functionalities, including and using production data to perform a user acceptance test of the application and its flows. We have, after that, the final stage. We need to do the following. We have to perform a production test that tests and revives the custom Siebel application, user training, technical infrastructure, and the network and the help desk. Also, we have to deploy the solution from the testing environment to the production environment, and we maybe do multiple deployment. After that, sustain. We have to evaluate the product and perform continuous improvement, measure how well the solution meets the business goal continuously. So these are the how we could develop Siebel application, including the roadmap and including the stages of the development. And you can see here, we start from the discover to the design to the prototype to the configuration to validation, and we go back to the prototype, configuration, and validation, and after that we go to deploy and sustain. This is the CRM implementation that we have covered in this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our social channels. Leave us a great review for this course, and see you soon in another video. Take care.